In this video, I'm going to show you how to export citations from CINAHL into RefWorks. Now, when you're doing this, it's a relatively simple process, and you can do it in one of two ways. You can do each citation individually, or you can do an entire group. I'm going to show you actually both. The first step in any of this, though, when it comes to CINAHL, is you must do your search. Once you have your search and you have some citations available, then you're ready to roll. Say if you want, say, the third or fourth one of the citations on this list, like say you want Survey of Nursing Integration of Genomics into Nursing Practice. If I want to do this as just one single citation, say this is the only one I want, what I would do is have to come up here to the title, click on it, and go into the full citation. Once I'm here, the way that you would export it into RefWorks is to come over here to the right to the toolbar, click Export, and when you do, this Export Manager screen will show up. When it does, make sure it says Direct Export to RefWorks, then click Save. When you do, what will happen is your citation will now be pushed to RefWorks and this box will appear. When this box appears, you'll notice it says Import Completed, one reference imported. Now, the reason it automatically logged me in and showed you this was I was logged in previously. If for some reason you decide to export citations and are not logged in, the first prompt you'll get is to log into your RefWorks account, and then this will occur. Once I've imported this, my next step is to go to View Last Imported Folder, which is where all citations go that you've imported, regardless of what you've done. Now you'll notice that it sits here, and now if I want to put it into my folder, I could do one of two things. I could come here and drag and drop it in, or I could go and I could say Selected, make sure this says Selected, select it, go to this small folder here, drop it down and click on Sample 1, which is where I want it to go. You'll notice that the box appears in the bottom right, and I now have two citations in my folder. Now that's how you do one citation in CINAHL. If I wanted to do multiple, that's a very simple process as well. First, let me get back out to where I can see everything. And this time what you need to do is you need to start adding citations to a folder in order to do multiples. So in this case, say I wanted 1. You'll see that it shows up here under folder has items. And I want 2. And say I want 3 and maybe 4. And we'll go for 5. And I'll do 5. Now you'll notice I have a folder over here full of citations. Now the way that I would go and export those into RefWorks directly is to come over here and click on Folder View. And now I can see them all. Now what I need to do is, since I want all 5, is I need to go up here and I need to hit Select All. Now if I only wanted 1 or 2, I could just click on the particular boxes. Now in this case I want all 5, so you'll see that all of them are selected. Then just like before, there's a toolbar that shows up over here and one that says Export. Click on it. You'll notice it says Direct Export to RefWorks, and then just as before I'm going to click Save. This box will pop up and you can see it's working. It'll say Import Completed, however many references you've done. Go to View Last Imported Folder. You'll see there's all 5 of mine, and now in this case I want to go up here to where it says References to Use, and I want to click All in the List because I want all 5. Go here to the small folder, tell it I want it to go into the Sample 1 folder, click on it. You notice it works down here on the bottom right. And now you can see I went from 2 to 7, so now all 7 are in that folder. And that is how you directly export citations, whether it be singly or as a group, from CINAHL into RefWorks.